Hi guys, welcome to geekwise. In this video I will share with you how I fixed an electrical fault in my Audi. Some interior light was going on and off randomly, but the bigger issue was the hazard lights. They wouldn't switch off, they've just been on constantly and I couldn't get them switched off, as you can see here. So first of all, I pulled the hazard light fuse to get the lights off. And then I will have to get under the carpet of the front footwell area. The electrical circuit board is located here, under the front passenger seat in the UK. And for left-hand drive cars, I guess it would be under the driver's seat. So in order to access the control board, I will need to remove this plastic panel and the door trim, so I'm able to get the carpet out of the way in the footwell area. As you can see, the area is wet. There's actually quite a lot of water sitting here, which I believe comes through the ventilation pipes when the rainwater doesn't flow out of the area under the bonnet. In another video I will also show where the water came from. The link for the other video will be in the description, but for now let's get back to this issue. First we need to remove the electrical box and make sure you remove all water with a sponge or however, but it has to be all dry before putting the box back in. Then open the box to access the circuit board. You will notice it will be a little wet, which is causing all the electrical problems. At least in my case this was the issue. And this has to be properly dry in order to do its job and work normal again. I use a hairdryer for that. Once you think it's all properly dried, you should put the fuse back in and check the hazard light and other functions if they're all back to normal now. And that's pretty much all. You can then put everything back into place and enjoy your ride again. I hope I could help someone with this tutorial. Of course, if anyone tries to do the same, then all work carried out would be on your own risk, and I'm not responsible for any possible damage or unfortunate incidents, as there's always some risk involved obviously, and it's recommended to get the job done by a professional. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and have a good day. Bye bye.